Good morning, Laura. Do you have some time?
Good morning, Tina. How can I help you?
I was wondering if you could add to the survey that I am conducting to find out the common interactive learning tools that people use. What do you think they are?
I have 8 to suggest to your list. 1. Gamification, which adds fun and competition with elements like leaderboards, badges, etc. 2. Simulations, which provides a risk-free environment for experiencing real-life scenarios.
Gamification and simulations noted. What else?
3. Interactive videos, which engage learners with clickable hotspots, quizzes, and annotations. 4. Branching scenarios, which develops critical thinking through decision-making and problem-solving.
Makes sense. What are 5 and 6?
5 is virtual classrooms, which enable live, interactive sessions with polls and group activities. 6 is social learning, which promotes interaction through forums and communities.
Got it. What are the last 2 on your list?
7 is interactive assessments, which go beyond multiple-choice questions for practical testing. 8 is microlearning, which provides bite-sized modules for quick, focused learning with activities.
I see. Those are some wonderful suggestions. Thank you for sharing, Laura.
You're welcome, Tina.
If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future.